Hello, good. Bridge from a distance. Patience. And you know, time and patience sign not down the road there, so say welcome to time and patience. No. No.
Time and patience break.
But time and patience breaker is not in time and patience. That's in word. Yeah. It's like when we were going Reggae Falls, Mark, because you remember we saw the Linstead Aki factory, and you were like, look how far Linstead Aki is.
From Linstead.
It's like, I was like, I don't get that one. Time and patience me come from. Ask Marcus, he knows about them stuff. Marcus, I like this.
I'm going to them more day to ask them when we're ready how we go and blah blah. How long you guys can get back to
Welcome back. So I am actually, I don't even know which way to start. I'm actually where I grew up. I'm on my family's land. This is where I used to run wild and go crazy. Where I learned to ride my first bike. I fell out of trees, hit my head. My uncle is a Rastafarian, so I learned a lot from him. It's really, you know, whenever I come here, I have a deep sense of appreciation for nature, because this is where my love of nature started. This is where my first lessons, you know, and my uncle did a great job in instilling what the hurt does and what it means to us. And so it's always a pleasure to come on vibes with him here, laugh and listen to his knowledge, because he's, you know, for some persons they would think otherwise, but for me, I find the sense in all that. It's so green, you know, you can see as far as you can look. Don't mind my face, a little oily, that's good. My uncle just told me, die, you know this size guy, he won't stop eat the dead flesh. And I know he's so right, but yeah, still on the journey. So one of these days I'm gonna show you star fruits. So those are star fruits, and all you can see is they're all over the property. He supplies them and he makes wine from these. That's all you can see, as far as you can see, the star fruits. And I actually got a mango. This was one of my favorite blackie when I was younger. Two, and the tree's still bearing. See? All you can see is fruit. What are you talking about? Look at this.
No,
great
so
wine.
watch thing there.
What?
New thing like them restore whole big lot.
Hallelujah. Hi Marcos. Do you like the property?
Yes, I
It's,
do.
it's fruitful, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Oh my gosh, there's so much. Hey little cuz. Hello. Yeah, this used to, Uncle Ralph used to have this. You know how much driving how much place me and him go on this? Yeah, boy. We used to like on weekends he would put fruits in the back. Banana, coconut, cane, and then we go Spanish Town to sell. Man, this pretty boy.
Tell a guy down at the 4-H club down at the stoplight.
Yeah.
Also. And I'm gonna say, what you say, man? I'm gonna say.
I love these, like scotchy. Uncle Ralph, I'm never afraid. But me just tell him, say, better him come up here with it. Uncle Ralph, the banana you can't eat. Jeez, this looking nice. Oh, look there. Look at them aloe there. These aloe are like aloe. And that's my uncle. And that's my aunt. Hey, Auntie, Uncle Ralph. Hey, Auntie. What going? You're all of vibes. Whatever, man. That's how we have memories. Lychee. And if you can see all the way there, that's my brother's grave. And this is my cousin's grave. He died in 2018. This one right here, so.
Hold on before you record it. Wait.
Okay.
But you just clear it.
Yeah.
But he.
Me still gonna come back with it.
Rum goat dash alarm. Wow, it's beautiful though. Auntie, you think you want to carry this girl at home?
Look it on.
Yeah, man, because this only go. You think.
They may come up with anything.
Yeah. You better you
When I ask me, say, yeah, man.
So it's who asked you if you know
I
it?
don't remember which somebody asked me about.
Auntie, smile.
They may not smile.
Green your teeth, so.
No?
What man, green your teeth?
Me not teeth for green, baby.
What you mean?
Mad.
And here I am in Uncle Ralph's kitchen. Can you imagine we used to be in this kitchen as a little girl? We couldn't even stand up. Gee. I know, look. Yeah. Marcus, look. You see? Good. We want Uncle Ralph's scrape one of these, so we would have loved one. See? And these are actually what he eats from. So I'm not eat like out of the plate we eat, and then these are his spoons. These are his spoon because he does not use like the regular spoon that you use in a. What do you call that? Where the wine is now. So this is the wine. These are the wines. I think this one is cashew. I see him something under the wine. These are all barrels with wines and stuff. Woo! Smell this, brethren.
You see them? You see wine them?
Yeah.
You blast them. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, look
These one, Uncle Ralph.
Cause wine all them, man.
They're not that me, I tell you.
Yeah, man. I eat that side natural. You put them dirt bike there on my bill.
Oh.
I'm a bill like the dirt bike there, now.
I
like that.
to catch.
I like that when they look well. You see the bike when they look well? You know, look on the bike when they look well?
Look.
No, him, me at all.
What?
Eh?
No, I mean, I think I want to go too much in the wine, you know.
Yeah, man. I don't want them ride still. And my machine that in 250, you know. Oh. Both back of me and lamp me and left me, you know.
Uncle, so you do? Farmer.
You don't know why.
You investigate scientist.
But see,
You get it?
In soccer that you know. You know, I can understand. The three them are country,
And
the
then here, you
soccer,
know.
and the one them are town.
You hear my auntie in the background at top. Oh. You want the camera or you want the... what kind of... You're not countryman, man. Are you still showing eye tree, brethren? Yeah, see one right in front of you?
Sorry,
do it on the video. So Uncle Ralph doing like him?
Blossom and Bennett.
Let me see. Yeah, me see. Me soon take you up. Do one video too. I trying my best not to. You also do here and me have to talk. Here, me have to talk. What is that, Tasha? That's why I have to put up our bed rest yesterday. That's why I see me lock up in the house. No, you're not there?
Look on the yam, them all left for you.
No, but me not to send over there now.
Talk to them, Top Chef.
Take it to them. Right, this one. If you remember, say, you can't make them dumplings too big. What happened? When you up that's our scheme up.
So you say a tip like a rum in it?
Yeah man, beer, red stripe done in this already, you know? Yeah, some beer in this already. So we're gonna drop some white rum in it when it simmer down a little bit.
Now your next get there, move off.
Need some water. Why we have war stuff? This is a country style. We ain't got no paper towel, you ain't got nothing. And that's it. Curry done. Time for food. Auntie, alright? Thank you. Thank you. No, that's finished though. Catch away your friend then. You know what? Very good?
Yeah, man.
Marcus, this okay? Or you want more?
Yeah, man, that good, man.
What you know now? This. You're going to eat it that all the time. Hey Marcus, here you go.
One thing missing here now. Pepper.
You can get a pepper. Pepper is there. Yay! awesome, awesome. Portland. Can't stop it now. Oh, this beef will come off though. Call Tashi for me now. I guess I'm gonna have to edit it. Uncle, I have a Pixar food for you. Oh, I remember how to pump. This cashew tree used to bear so much when I was a little girl. Oh. Right, and when we go high, yeah. Woo! Great. Yeah, cause Rasta, y'all got beard and something. You're watching to you. Yeah. Okay.
My big sister, everything that's a miss me saying, eh? Me see this I talk about your Reach Falls, you talk about your Dunce River Falls, you talk about your hiking, you know, blogging, about market vibes and all these things. Great cookout a yard and thing, everything just miss me. So as me fly out, you fly in, and me just miss everything. Oh my gosh, I wish I was home. I miss you guys. Well, I guess better luck next time. I guess we will correspond more as to when we are going to take our vacation, that we can book accordingly. But I love the vibes and I love everything still, you understand? I love the unity amongst everybody. Yeah, one love. Peace out.